Alright, I got one package from the postman. I got a couple more coming from UPS I haven't seen yet. So, sounds like lifters or something like that. Might be primary chains, but they'd have to be loose to make that noise. Yeah, throat sucks. Let's see what we got in here, because I don't know. It is chains. What the hell is that thing? They're taped together. Trying to confuse me. It's everywhere. Alright, stupid tape. Gotta make the boxes look new after you're done taping them up. Looks like a jet bike chain. It's got a jet bike on the front. Alright, which ones are these ones? These are the European. That's why they got a jet bike on there. So this is supposed to be for a 45, a 35-2 chain. Yeah, it looks like a 45 chain. So 45 chains have the round figure 8 links, which are real weak. That's how they're made. That is extremely loose. Jeez, for being a new chain, looks worn out already. Those Europeans have weird numbers, I guess. That's pretty sloppy. Well, I'm not impressed. Let's just put it that way. Alright, well, this should be 100 link. Those are for those 45 flathead cylinders I got. If you ever get a bike together, there's a chain for it. So, that and customers want them. So the Sportster chains are made out of the good links, and the 45 chains are made with the bad links. So there you go. So you lay your chain out like that and you count the links. And if it comes even like that, it's an even number. If you got another link going forward right here, it's an odd number. So you count these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you got 25 links on that row. You double it for the back row, that's 50 links, and there's 2 pins per link, so you double that again, that's 100. Or you take the 25 and multiply by 4, it gives you 100. So that is the correct number right there, it's 100 links. So I don't know what all this XT100EN is, but some kind of European thing, but to me that chain's pretty loose. So, not overexcited about the fitment of that chain. Now it's the same chain as the Sportster, except the Sportster is a triple row. And the Sportster is made with rectangular links, which are a lot stronger. But other than that, it's the same thing. It's the same width. There's 2 in there, so if it's only that wide like that, it'd be the same thing. Same pitch, same everything else. I don't know why they never made these heavy duty. Probably because the 45's only got 20 horsepower. If it's lucky, it might have 25. So. Whereas the Sportster, they were making at least 50 when they were stock. When you do something like that, they get a lot more powerful. Alright, there you go. 45 chains. Oh boy.